Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to make some delicious, nutritious chocolates. That's right, chocolate can be nutritious. So this chocolate is a raw chocolate, so it's got no refined sugar, no dairy, so it's free from animal products and it is amazing for us. And a great time to make raw chocolate is around Valentine's Day. Well, actually, any time of the year is a great time to make chocolate. Chocolate is known as the food of love. So it's a beautiful aphrodisiac that can fill us with amazing, uplifting feelings. It can help our brain, help our heart, help us connect to each other. So what better thing to make than this for Valentine's Day? So let me show you how to do it. I've got a pan here with some hot water in it, and I've got a bowl sitting on top of that. I have 120 grams of raw cacao butter. That's what this white stuff is. So we're going to put that in there to melt. Now, once this is melted, we're going to leave this to melt, then we're going to add the other ingredients in. So one of the amazing things about making your own chocolate is you get to make it how you want. You can add whatever things in you want for your flavours. So you could add some wild orange essential oil to it. You could put some peppermint oil in. You could chop up some fresh mint leaves if you wanted to. You could put in, chop up some dates or raisins or nuts. So lots of things that you can do to individualise your chocolate. But I'm going to show you a basic milk chocolate with no animal products in. So as I said, we've got the cacao butter melting. So our cacao butter is almost melted now. So it's a beautiful golden liquid. So now we're going to add the other things. I've turned the heat off, so we don't want it to be any hotter. We've got it melted. Now we're going to add in coconut sugar. Coconut sugar is a great alternative to refined sugar. It's low on the GI index and it's high in minerals. So we're adding 2 dessert spoons of coconut sugar to our mix and giving that a nice stir in, like so. Then we've got some coconut milk powder. Now this is optional, you don't have to add this, but this will make it more like a creamy milk chocolate. So this is coconut milk powder. You don't want to add the liquid of coconut milk because that will turn this. So we're doing the powder and we've got 1 dessert spoon of coconut milk powder going in. So 2 dessert spoons of coconut sugar, 1 of coconut milk powder, and we're just going to let that melt and dissolve in and give that a good mix, getting those clumps out of it. Next we have beautiful organic cacao powder. Now cacao powder is cocoa in its raw form. So when you see cocoa, that means it's been roasted. So cacao is what you want, high in nutrients, high in minerals. So we're going to add in 2 dessert spoons of cacao powder to our mix. And we're going to give this a good stir so we get all the bits out. And we bring in beautiful chocolate. Oh, that's looking amazing. Oh, so good. Now, this is the basic recipe. From here, you can do lots of amazing things. I wouldn't have raw chocolate without All You Need superfoods. All you need is incredible. It smells delicious, it tastes delicious, and it's filled with nutrients. So we've got medicinal mushrooms, super greens, plant proteins, digestive enzymes, B12, magnesium, vitamin D, all in this beautiful powder. So I've got 1 heaped teaspoon going into our chocolate mix, so that when people are eating this, not only are they receiving the love that this is made with, but they're receiving all those incredible nutrients going into them. As I said before, if you want to then get exciting with this and add lots of different things, then you can. One lovely addition for Valentine's Day, if this is made for your loved one, is adding a bit of Loving Mix that Juliette's Kitchen does. Loving Mix is a beautiful aphrodisiac to heighten libido. So if you want to make this an extra special Valentine's chocolate, then why not add some of that? Okay, so we have our silicone chocolate mould here. You can do this in an ice cube tray as well, but we're going to do this in this beautiful chocolate mould. So we have our chocolate here. Look at that. Can you see that beautiful hot liquid chocolate? I'm just going to add a little pinch of salt into that. So that's a little bit of raw grey sea salt to go in. And now we're going to spoon this into our mould. Now this is the important bit. When you're spooning it in, make sure you give it a good stir before you pour it into the mould so that you're getting it all from the bottom. So you're making sure you get an even balance of the coconut sugar and the mix going in. There we go. This is looking absolutely beautiful. So nearly finished pouring all of this into the moulds. This is going to be some beautiful, beautiful chocolate. We're going to put this in the fridge now to set for about half an hour. Or until it's hard. Sometimes it's done, depending on the setting on your fridge, in 15 minutes. So just double check it, but about half an hour and you're going to have some beautiful, delicious chocolates to eat. So I've just got the chocolates out of the fridge and they are ready to go. So let's pop them out and see what we got. Oh, look at that. Doesn't that look good? I think I have to quickly try it. Yum.